Don't throw this plant. It's look like died, but it's not died yet. This is my Aglaonema plant. It shed its all leaves and now it's looking as died. But it has a green stem, so I sure that this plant is not died yet. Now the first quick action, we have to check its root whether they are rotten or not. So squeeze the pot gently, tap on the bottom, and oh, you can see it has no roots. That means all roots are rotten. So let's try to save this plant. So you can see all roots are gone. They are rotten. So this stem is looking green. So most chances to survive this plant. So first I will cut it and sow in soil. First check the pot having lots of holes. Put some brick pieces in that pot and do not fertilize. Do not use fertilizer. Take soil which is not so hard. Take loose soil first and I will keep this cutting in this soil. Press gently and add few water. Keep this cutting in shade light area under tree or near about other plant and let's see what will happen